When was the last time you looked at your estate documents? If you are like most, you probably haven't reviewed the documents since they were originally signed.
If you have not reviewed your estate documents in the last 3 years, it is important to review the following key provisions.
When reviewing your will, be sure to consider the executor or the person responsible for settling the estate. In addition, if you have children under the age of 18, be sure to evaluate the persons you have listed as the guardian. The guardian is the person responsible for providing care for your kids should something happen to you. You will also want to look for a pour-over provision if you have a revocable trust, which provides for any property not transferred into your trust during your lifetime to automatically pour into the trust upon death.
When looking over the power of attorney for financial purposes, make sure to review who is named as an agent or successor agents. The agent will make financial decisions on your behalf if you are unable. The most common agent if you are married is your spouse. If you are not married or are reviewing successor agents, it is not uncommon for people to list siblings or parents. Keep in mind, as parents age, successor agents may need to be updated.
When evaluating the power of attorney for healthcare, often called a living will, similar to the power of attorney for financial, the agents are important to review. In addition, be sure to consider the life support declaration, which provides for how long you would like to remain on life support if you were in a vegetative state. Also, if your document was created before 2001, then it should be updated to include language to comply with HIPAA laws.
With a revocable living trust, there are several things to consider. You'll want to review the person or persons listed as trustee and successor trustee, as they will be responsible for oversight and distribution of trust assets. You will also want to look at the beneficiaries of the trust, including at what age they receive assets and how much control they have if something were to happen to you. Oftentimes, as children age, most parents move the age when children receive assets out further and further. Also, it is not uncommon for a co-trustee to serve with a beneficiary for a period of time to assist with the responsibility of managing the trust. In addition, in 2013, a law making the estate portability provision permanent was put in place, which allows for any unused estate tax exclusion to be passed to a spouse. You will want to make sure your trust is flexible enough to provide for this election.
It is important to note these estate planning documents are all revocable, which means they can be changed at any time. We recommend reviewing your documents periodically, as changes will likely be needed every 3 to 5 years.
Depending on your situation, there could be additional planning items to consider. For example, if your child or grandchild has a disability, a special needs trust or special needs planning should be incorporated into your documents. If you have any questions, please feel free to give us a call or visit our website. From the entire HM Capital Management team, thank you for watching.